Hello everyone, what's up guys, welcome back to my vlog guys. And for this video, Monday, have a blessed Monday po to everyone. What's up guys, nandito tayo sa Taguig All Home Vista Mall guys, Taguig. So pasadahan natin guys. So dito tayo sa Vista Mall guys, waiting tayo na rides tayo mga guys, rides tayo. Guys, antay tayo ng booking guys. So what's up sa ating mga ka-movers, drivers dyan, good morning guys. Sabi nila holiday ngayon, pero hindi ko alam ano yung bakit holiday ngayon. December 8, ayan, nandito tayo ngayon guys. Ganun muna tayo dito guys. So ayan, baba muna tayo, baba tayo. So kasama natin ating buddy the John Lee Jr. Ready na siya for rides today. So ayun siya guys, dito tayo sa drop area, unloading and pick up area ng Vista Mall guys, Taguig. So ayan, hintay tayo dito guys ng ating booking. So ayan ang ating buddy ayan. Standby muna tayo dito guys. So ayan, Vista Mall, time check 9:35. So ayan, sarado pa guys ating buddy ayan. So yan ang update natin for today's video guys. Monday moves guys, rides tayo ngayon guys. So ayan, mega shoutout sa my families, followers, subscribers Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and to my eldest daughter Lay Gambo Acosino, and my youngest Gisamigo, our issue managers ng Southern Homes Realties. Mega shoutout sa aming lead broker Sir Romeo Silis, kay ating Sir Andre Silis family and Pineranda family, siyempre Gamboa, Esmeralda Mejia, Turio, Nabong, Garcia, Paragas, Asumilihig, Palma, Tinorio de la Cruz, Garcia, and mga ano dyan, Ilocanos, Bicolanos, my team, Latex, our President Jordan Balano, our founder Dan Cantimprata, and my three admin, ang ating mga idols, baby loves, mga friends, amigo, team sayo at tagpuan sa bubong, siyempre ang ating admin 3, Janet, Nonita, Chanita, and one only our advisor La Arnie from Baguio and Pangasinan, and my team Latex, and shout out guys. So ayan, let's go, samahan nyo ko for to this video again. So ayan, may kumpare dyan, mga team in Basco, Bulacan, and our team at Sounds Industry, Sounds Association Taguig Chapter, our President Oye Oliver, the Master DJ, and our Levi's Tag, our VP, President, Vice President, and my all team Taguig Chapter. So hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa guys. So ayan, ito yung update natin for today's morning, Monday, December 8 po. So ayan, rides mo tayo, movers tayo ngayon guys. So ay ingatan mo kami Lord, at sama mo kami, our drivers, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Bigyan mo kami ng kalasahan, iingatan mo kami sa bawat pagdadrive namin sa buong maghapon ito Lord. Thank you Lord for your blessing at sa mga darating pang Lord. So hanggang dito na lang muna guys ang ating update for today's video. Kung bago kayo sa aking Facebook or sa ating munting channel, YT channel, Jolly TV, and the road again, the movers, drivers. Ayan. So huwag kalimutang i-subscribe, like and share, follows, like and share din. Kung may mga patalastas gaya ng ating blessing, so panoorin nyo hanggang dulo guys. Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan, skip nyo na lang guys. So muli hanggang dito lang muna guys. Thank you so much for your support, non-followers, non-subscribers, mga friends, amigo, amiga. So what's up guys? Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.